Printing on demand. What is it and how can you make money with it? Stay tuned to find out. Hey guys, it's MrMoney here, and today's video is all about making money with Zazzle.com. This is a free tool that you can start using, and today's video is going to be a thorough tutorial that you can simply follow. And so as long as you can complete my instructions correctly and you've got the initiative to take action, all you gotta do is drop us a like, hit that subscribe button, and we can jump right into it. And guys, in order to understand the full process that's going on behind the scenes, let's imagine the following scenario. Let's say that you find some sort of sale for a designer t-shirt that you've been keeping on your watch list for quite some time and you want to purchase it. So what happens next? Well, you're going to head over to their website if you want to make an online purchase, enter in your credit card credentials, make the purchase, and then it will be delivered to your door. That is what you're seeing. But behind the scenes, something else is happening. You're going to fill in your credit card credentials, you're going to make the purchase, but that t-shirt is not going to be designed and created for you on demand. And instead, it's been stored in some sort of storage space for quite some time. And so whenever you make the purchase, they're going to grab that t-shirt from the storage and send it out to your door. But unfortunately, having a storage space is going to increase the expenses. For most companies, there is going to be a really high expense. And now I'm talking about electricity bills, employees, the rent itself, so the cost is going to be really high. And so here's a better business model. Whenever you make the purchase, that business is going to create a t-shirt for you on demand. And so they have basically eliminated the need for storage. As soon as you complete the transaction, the t-shirt is going to be created just for you and then be delivered to your door. And in the following minutes, guys, I'm about to show you how you can create your own designs without having to be a talented designer and sell them for a profit online. This is going to be a print-on-demand service, meaning that you're just going to design your t-shirt and then the website I'm going to connect to is going to create it for you and deliver it to your clients so that you don't have to worry about storage and you don't have to worry about the production. All you have to worry about is making money. The more t-shirts you're going to sell, the more money you're going to generate, and I'm about to show you how you can automate the process as well. And so if we want to replicate their results and their success, we can create something very similar to that. So let me actually show you what I'm talking about. What you're going to do right now is head over to the sales section, and this is where you're going to create your design, upload it to the website, and then start selling it for a profit. And all you gotta do is click on this button that is intuitively labeled Start Selling Today. At this point, it is just going to be a matter of entering in your credentials, email address, password, your details, and that's it. And by doing that, you're going to become a Zazzle creator today by monetizing your content or creative services and create passive income opportunities just as promised. Not only that, but you can make a memory, you can make an impact, and you can even make someone laugh. And that is going to be awesome. As you can see, they're going to recommend Adobe Photoshop as a tool that's going to allow you to create the designs. But we're not going to do that because Photoshop is not free. As promised, anybody with a solid internet connection that is reliable enough will be able to implement today's process and follow my steps. And so, we are not going to purchase any subscription. We're not going to purchase Adobe Photoshop. And instead, we're going to use a free alternative to that. And that is going to be Canva.com. And the best part about this platform is that it is going to provide you with thousands of templates that are all fully customizable. That means you are in control here. For instance, if you want to design an Instagram post, you've got a template for that. If you want to go for a presentation, just like the one I did in this video, you can create that here as well. Now, from my experience, in order to create your design for the t-shirt or whatever item you would like to sell, the best template is going to be the poster one. Those are the best dimensions, so let's create one. And at this point, you've got a few different options. You can either start from scratch with an empty page, or you can use a preset template, but that is going to be up to you. At the end of the day, you are in control here, and you can customize whatever you want. However, what I recommend that you do in order to be successful with this initiative is replicate what's already working. We're going to do a little bit of competition research here, see what they are doing, and try implementing some very similar methods. And in order to achieve that, we are heading over to Etsy.com, which is a very similar platform. It also provides users with printing on demand services, but it is a little bit easier to browse through. And so what you want to do is head over to the clothing and shoes section, for instance, if you want to focus on tees, and then select tops and tees. Then we're going to take a look at t-shirts, and eventually you can find something you love. Now they're going to show you the top sellers. As of right now, the results are sorted by the relevancy, but if you want to, you can sort them by the top customer reviews, highest price, lowest price, or the most recent uploads. But I think sorting them by their relevancy is going to be pretty good, because as you can see, most of these are generating thousands of sales. And take a look at this one. This is just a really nice design, but there is nothing out of the ordinary about it. Anybody with access to Canva.com can create something similar. And so, how do we do that? How shall we approach this method? Well, in my opinion, the first thing you need to do in order to move forward is find a suitable topic, one that is highly popular right now and people are paying a lot of attention to. Now, pets have always been popular and people absolutely love them, and as you can see, some of the top sellers are going to include pets. But I feel like that is going to be a little bit mundane, but we need to find a way to stand out from the crowd, and so just designing t-shirts with pets on them is not going to be good enough. And guys, I think that focusing on memes instead is going to be hands down the best approach. And at the time I am recording this video, the sad Mr. Incredible meme is highly popular. And so at this point, what you can do is find any meme that you like, save it on your computer, and then move forward. And that is how we are going to create our template, the design we're going to print on those t-shirts. After that, you can head over to Canva.com, upload your design, and paste it in here. And most significantly, don't be afraid to play around a little bit with the features that are available on the website. You can add any text you want so that you make it appealing, and once you're done with that, you can just download the final design on your computer and then head back over to Zazzle.com, where you're going to list your t-shirt. And at this point, uploading your design on Zazzle.com is just going to be a matter of following some simple instructions. Additionally, you will also be able to add a label to it, such as introvert, funny, Disney, husband, Star Wars, you name it. There are also going to be multiple types of t-shirts that you can choose from, but remember, you don't even have to do t-shirts altogether. You can just head over to clothing and choose another item, or you can just go for gifts. You can literally design a mug if you want to. Once everything is done, they're going to list your design on their page, and here's the best part about it. You don't necessarily have to spend money on promoting your designs, because Zazzle.com is already generating about 25 million total visits per month organically, which means that your t-shirt is also going to be seen by a lot of people. Now, of course, you can further increase the reach that your designs are getting by promoting them in certain ways. Perhaps Google Ads, perhaps YouTube, you can share those on social media. There are a variety of different ways you can approach this. But at the end of the day, just by using Zazzle.com and listing your t-shirts without any further promotion, you're still going to get enough traffic. And most of these people are coming from the United States as well, which is going to be really important, 87% to be more exact. Another very similar platform is going to be Etsy.com, which we have already covered in today's video. That is going to be insanely popular, 480 million visits per month, but the competition here is also going to be really high, and so make sure to choose the best one. And at this point, all you gotta do is create your own unique design, and the best part is that you've got 100% freedom. You can create whatever design feels right to you, upload it, and see whether or not it is going to sell any copies, and if it does, you can double down on that and then create some further very similar designs and sell those as well, so you can take this to the next level. That's it for now, take massive action, and I'll see you next time.